respected ma'am and my dear friend. Today I want to speak on the topic G20. G20 or Group of 20 is an international is an intergovernmental forum which consists of 19 countries and the European Union. Its main focus on resolving the issue of economical development, economical development, financial stability in the world. G20 G20 consists of world's largest economies, which includes both in industrial and developing countries industrialized and developing countries. It includes 80% of the in world 80% of the GWP, 75% of 75% of the international trade, and is 2/3% of the world population and 60% of the world land area. G20 consists its main focus. G20 में it was started in G20 was formed in 1999, but in 1973 G7 was formed. G7 was formed after that in 1998 Russia was also added in it. When the whole world was facing economic crisis in 2008, then G20 members agrees to form organize a summit which was held in Canada to resolve the economic crisis. And after that it was held in every year. There is no permanent president of G20 and no permanent organization of G20. Its presidency passed on every year, country to country. There is a term used in it that is Troika. Troika means that in which three countries are added. The present holding country, hosting country, previous presidential country, and the next country. In last year, G20 summit was held in Indonesia, in Bali. In their main focus on that summit was on to tackle the COVID-19 and the free trade and on the economical development. In this year, our country India is hosted the G20 summit from 1st of December 2022 to November 2023. The Sherpa of G20 summit, G20 18th summit that is held in India is the Amitabh Kant. Main leaders who organized the summit are the governor of bank, finance minister, and external affairs ministers. And the next summit will be held in Brazil. At last, I want to conclude my talk only by saying that all countries have to participate. Not all. Sorry. That all countries have to agree on the decision, or have to follow the decision that are taken in the summit, and for the better future of our whole earth.
Thank you.
Thank you.